Sylvia, it's really good to be able to speak to yourself, Managing Director of Hainbuch, CEO, owner, the whole lot. Just tell us about how things are at Hainbuch at the moment, business-wise, around the world.
Well, actually, they're wonderful at the moment. I mean, the economy is very strong. We have full order books. This is great. Actually, all the different markets are booming at the same time. So Hainbuch is doing great at the moment.
And for those that don't know, Hainbuch, workholding specialist, experts, would that be a good way of summarising the company?
Yes, very much so. We're experts in workholding. If it comes to quick change and saving of setup times, this is what we're an expert in.
And what's the most popular markets for your product? I mean, people talk about the industry being busy with aerospace, automotive. Where's the trends for you, do you think?
Well, the biggest market for Hainbuch is at the moment is still automotive, obviously. We're already getting more and more orders in the aerospace industry. Also, medical is strong, but the biggest is still automotive by far.
And at the AMB 2018 show, your stand is very busy. I mean, it's still very early in the morning. What are you showing off this week? What's new from Hainbuch?
Well, what has created a great big interest in the past is our Industry 4.0 solutions. I mean, this is in everybody's head at the moment, and we have made a new product with integrated electronics. We are showing a new chuck with integrated electronics where it's possible to measure the clamping diameter with the chuck and the alignment of the chuck and also the clamping force.
Because I always look at work holding products, it's very much hardware. I try to work out in my own head where the benefit is for Industry 4 and software. Are you finding people are interested in the software side for work holding?
Yes, more and more. I mean, if it comes to automation, that's when it's really interested in also because maybe the machinists are less educated in other countries, so it has to be easy. So whatever helps the machinist that you can deal with a machine with a lower experience or training level, this is why it's really interesting for our customers.
And when you sit back in your office and look at the global markets and all of your distributors, do you see trends around the world, certain countries embracing automation more than others? And if so, what would they be? Who would they be?
Well, automation is also very big in Asia, obviously. I was surprised to see it in China. It's very big there. I mean, you could think that maybe labor is a bit cheaper in China, but they're very much interested in automation, same as Japan and other Asian countries. It's very big there as well.
UK market is obviously predominantly where our views come from. What's your thoughts on the UK market? I know for Hainbuch they've done fantastically well in recent years. What do you put that down to?
Well, the UK market for us is still very strong. I mean, it's also booming there, and we're getting lots of orders from the UK, even though, with the Brexit topic, there is some uncertainty, but order-wise, we don't see that yet.
Would you put that down to Nick and his team?
Of course.
And finally, for our viewers, Sylvia, the size of this organisation, how many employees have you got, how many distributors around the world? Just give us a sense of how big Hainbuch is.
Well, currently we're counting 850 employees around the globe. 400 and a little bit in Germany. The rest is in our subsidiaries worldwide. We have 14 Hainbuch subsidiaries around the globe. So this is what we're working with at the moment.
It's a big company, very successful, and you're creating a lot of interest here. Thank you very much for your time today, Sylvia, and good luck going forward.
Thank you, Paul.